That's right. Thank you, Tim. Give a
All right.
presentation. How's it going, everyone? Let me go ahead and share my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
We can.
Awesome. Thanks, Tim. Thanks, Mike. So hey, guys, my name is Pierre Harry, and I'm a product specialist with AVEVA Select California here. During my portion of this event, I'm going to be discussing, one of our exciting new products, which is the AVEVA Pi System, which was formerly known as OSI Pi. I only have 5 minutes here to introduce the topic, so I'm going to keep this brief, but hopefully I can pique your interest and get you guys to hang around for the Pi deep dive session that I'll be presenting around, I think it's 12:50 p.m., so in about an hour here. So what is the Pi system? Well, Pi is an enterprise data management platform. It's not a SCADA platform, but rather it's, a software ecosystem that acts as a powerful and robust historian. And I had some questions in the chat here asking how it compares to the AVEVA historian. And so during the deep dive, I'm planning on spending some time discussing the differences. But Pi at its core is a historian as well. And this diagram here illustrates the role that the Pi system plays. And really, it all starts with the collection of operations data, which is on the left side there. You can see some examples of the data sources that are available. So some of these include PLCs, SQL databases, you have cloud systems, manual data entry, and yes, SCADA systems. So Pi is built to essentially plug and play into any industrial environment, including systems that have existing SCADA platforms and historians, like the AVEVA historian. So there's over 200 different industrial communication protocols that are supported by Pi. So whatever data it is that you want to bring into Pi, you'll be able to do so by using the extensive lists of Pi connectors and interfaces and adapters that come out of the box. And then the second step is using the Pi server tools that are at your disposal to organize, store, and enhance the collected data. So this is the historian aspect of Pi. You can use what's called the Pi Asset Framework and the Pi Data Archive to rename and organize your data logically. And then you can store it for extended periods of time, just like the AVEVA historian. So this essentially allows you to, create order out of data chaos that you might have from, a plethora of different data sources that, these data sources and these data streams might not even make sense when you first bring them in. So depending on where they come from and how you want to organize them, you can use these tools to create order out of it. And then last but not least, you have the Pi client tools that allow you to deliver the operations data in the right format to the right people. And that's the right side of this diagram here. These clients include Pi Vision and Pi Data Link, and they essentially allow you to mine the data that is stored inside of the Pi system and serve it on a gold platter to the people that need to see it. So this mining process is really simple because at that stage, you've already organized strategically your data and stored it in ways that we're going to explore later in the deep dive. So the delivery and visualization process is also extremely straightforward because you have these tools, Pi Vision and Pi Data Link, both of which are intuitive methods for presenting the data in whatever format you see fit. And during the deep dive, I'll be doing a demo of those two tools. So I hope you guys stick around for that. So overall, what makes the Pi system unique is the ability to, break down data silos because you have these different data streams that are supported. You can also secure your data by using these historian tools that we're going to talk about and encourage collaboration because you provide a self-service, no-code, and web-based interface for accessing and visualizing the data, which is Pi Vision. So this is really the secret sauce to Pi because it removes the barrier to making data available to the people in your organization that needs it. So the updates you're learning about today, for the most part, they pertain to the major 2023 software updates across AVEVA's portfolio, which includes updates to existing AVEVA products like System Platform, Edge, Reports, so on and so forth. So unlike these other product software updates, Pi itself doesn't really have any major 2023 software update to speak of, but When AVEVA acquired OSI Soft last year, we sought to establish a strategic partnership that allowed AVEVA to distribute this Pi software under our umbrella and make it an official component of the AVEVA ecosystem. This means that AVEVA has prioritized integrating Pi with our other existing software products. So while there's no major updates to the Pi platform itself, what we do have is updates regarding its integration with some of our other products, such as the Historian and OMI. And here on this slide, you can see a little preview into those integration methods. So on the left side, we have the Pi Vision OMI app. And on the right side, we have a snapshot of the replication process from the AVEVA Historian to Pi. So that's just a sneak preview. And please stick around for my 30-minute deep dive in about 45 minutes here. And I'll be discussing the Pi system in depth, as well as these new integration options that are available with the 2023 software release.